Hello and welcome. I'm going to spend just the next 2 to 3 minutes walking you through the Plotzy zoning product, so let's just jump right in. So I'm currently in the platform and I have already selected the municipality that I want to explore. This is of course the most important first step because zoning is a very local thing, and so what is R1 in Deerfield, Illinois as an example could be totally different from R1 in the neighboring municipality. So select your municipality and get started. There's two main areas that you're going to be doing a lot of your work in the Plotzy zoning product. The first one is in this query tab. And this is where you can just add in any free-form question that you might have about that zone and just ask it as a question, just like you would with ChatGPT. The difference, of course, between Plotzy and ChatGPT is that Plotzy has generated a unique model specifically for this municipality, and because of that, we can give you a really accurate answer. So, in this example, I'm just looking to see if there's any zones in this municipality that I could do an ADU in. So what we do is we just give you an answer as succinctly as we can. So you just get a one sentence basically answer, but if you want to know a little bit more, you can click this show more button and then you're going to see a more robust answer with additional details. And more importantly is this source section at the very bottom. So we want you to know that we're not just letting the AI make up whatever answer sounds good. No, these answers are grounded in reality. In fact, these are so grounded in reality that we can tell you exactly the section number and the page number that you should go to if you want to dig in more and either verify the answer or just explore the topic of your question even more. Okay, the second area that a lot of people spend time is in this summary tab. So this is where we show you all the different zones that are in that municipality, as well as some key development standards that are going to be important to you if you're considering acquiring this property or acquiring a property in this area or of a specific zone. So this is where we're going to see information like setbacks or height restrictions, sometimes even parking requirements are specified, and we can pull them out and show them right here for you. Another key part of this is the triangle here in the use column. So this is where we show you the permitted and conditional uses that are added for each of these zones. So if you're considering, or if you know exactly what use you want to use that property for, definitely take a look at this part of the table and explore that here. Okay, last thing I want to walk you through real quick is this export and print button right in the top right hand corner. So click that button and then just select whatever it is that you want to be in the PDF that we're going to generate for you, whether it's the answers or the zoning summaries or both. If you're looking to export the zoning summary, make sure that if you need any of these permitted uses and conditional uses on the actual PDF, make sure that you click and expand them here, as we only show the ones that the user has clicked to expand. So we're not just going to expand and show all of the permitted uses and all the conditional uses for all of the zones unless you want them. In some zones, okay, these are very tame, there's half a dozen or so bullet points. Some zones have literally hundreds of specified permitted or conditional uses, so we just need to make sure that you go ahead and select those before we generate the PDF for you to download to your computer. That's it for today. Thank you guys very much. Cheers.